The deadline to file your income taxes is quickly approaching, and if you haven't filed yet, you are not alone. A recent survey from an investment firm found as many as 1/3 of Americans wait until the last minute to file. On average, 10 million Americans end up requesting an extension. Some say they wait because they won't be getting a refund. Others say filing taxes is just too complicated and stressful. WCNC Charlotte's Austin Walker joining us live now from the newsroom. You went to an expert for some last-minute questions that we could probably all use some answers to, Austin.
Yeah, complicated and stressful. I think we all get that. But you probably got your W-2 in the mail and you're ready to start filing. But some people tell us, again, those numbers could look a little complicated. An expert has a few tips to make it pretty easy for you.
It's a time some people don't look forward to.
Painful.
Tax season. It can be daunting and confusing.
I don't understand half the questions they're asking me.
Yeah, I had like 5 different forms I had to fill out because I was self-employed.
The deadline to submit your 2022 income tax is fastly approaching.
So would you have forgotten if I wouldn't have told you?
Probably, yeah.
This Tuesday, the 18th, is the last day.
A lot of people have a lot of questions.
Lamuel Jones, a tax accountant with Tax Partners L&L, says it comes down to being prepared.
If they haven't received their W-2, they definitely need to get with their HR or go online.
Once you have it in hand, make sure you have your social security number, a driver's license, and any eligible deductions like medical bills and charitable donations. There are lots of ways you can get help using a service like TurboTax, or even can go in person to any accounting office like Jones's. But let's say you forgot, you didn't have the right documents needed, or just need more time. Jones says there's one very crucial step.
File an extension before the 18th, okay, to avoid any IRS penalties.
If you file an extension, you must still pay what you owe. This extension only allows you more time to complete the paperwork. But Jones says he's been getting the same question over and over. Why is the return smaller this year?
The refunds are lower, so they might have feel like they've miscalculated from last year.
It's because there's been a change federally.
A lot of tax credits were eliminated. One of them was the recovery rebate. That was a large credit, and that was a pandemic credit.
Data from the IRS shows the average refund last year was a little more than $3,000. This year, the average sits just north of $2,800.
A lot of single moms coming in here sad or crying. They're coming out of here because they're relying on that money.
So a lot of information right there, but if you have any more questions, head to our website, WCNC.com. We have a full story that breaks down everything you need to know so you can file successfully. For now in the newsroom, Austin Walker, WCNC Charlotte. Jane?
All right, Austin, a lot of procrastinators.
I know, right? A lot of procrastinators. Well. I was guilty until today, so
good for you.
We're on the book, so it's good.
Good for you. All right. Thanks, Austin.
Yeah.
All right, if you're wondering when you'll get your refund after you file, the IRS says many filers will get theirs within 21 days of when they file. If they file electronically, use direct deposit, and if there are no issues with the tax return. You can always check the status of your refund with the Where's My Refund feature on irs.gov.